Hi everyone, it's Yamchang Food. This time, I'm gonna show you how to make super easy mazesoba. You can make it in no time, so it's recommended when you don't have time. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, boil hot water. Put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Add less sesame oil when adding much chili oil. Add chili oil, ryu if you like. Add some black pepper. Put the noodles into a pot. Boil the noodles for about 1 minute until they warm up. Drain the hot water from noodles. Mix the seasonings. Transfer the boiled noodles to the plate. Mix it until the seasoning is spread thoroughly. Sprinkle green onions. Sprinkle ground sesame over the noodles. Cut nori seaweed and sprinkle it. Mazesoba is ready to eat. If you add grated garlic on the way, the taste will change and it will be even more delicious. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!